Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share how to apply eyeliner, show you some tips and tricks, and also how to apply it from a wrong way to a correct way, and a lot of things. So keep watching. I would rather suggest to tie your hair so that it doesn't get disturbed when we go with the process. So for this I'm using Loreal liner magic. So this totally suffices my purposes. So, and also smudge proof, waterproof, precise applicator, as stated on the bottle. So I really go with this because especially for weddings this gives me a very perfect liner. So firstly, to start off, I firstly start from the center and apply it. If you see, I already got that perfect line, but I want to also show you how dark or how thick it can get, and also if I go wrong anywhere, how to correct it. You have to be very careful, especially when you're going with the wing, because even if I go wrong, I can still correct it. If you see, I already got that perfect wing. I'm going to make this more thick. And fill in between. If you see, I already got that perfect wing. I'll show you since I have more lighting here. If you see, I already got that perfect line. Okay, the perfect curve. Okay, so there are a lot of places where I have gone wrong and then I corrected it with a very thin line. I will show you how we can get to a very thin line as well. So again, to start off, I do it from center, or I can also do it from here, but doing it from here your hand gets shaky, which we don't want. So I rather suggest to do it from middle or from the center. And also there are a lot of reasons for your eyeliner to go wrong, because either your hand shakes or you might have some folds area wherein you will not be able to get the liner. It's okay, but you just have to make sure you don't blink it multiple times. If you see, this has come very thin, So if you see, this is a very thin line that I have given here, and yeah, and this is a very thick line. So you can choose from either of this. I think this looks perfect, and this is like a more bold look, and I go with either of this depending on the occasion. And don't worry if your eyeliner is going, you know, in a very different direction. You can always correct it. Okay, so it needs a lot of practice, and once with the practice you will be able to get the perfect wing liner. So I'm going to make both of them, you know, equal, since this is much darker. So I'm going to also do the same to this. All you have to do is just, you know, make it more thick like this. If you see, both are equal. You can just see it from like this. Both looks equal now. So I've got the perfect look of eyeliner. So this is it, guys. So final look is like this. If you see, I have got that perfect you know, wings on both the ends, and both my eyes look same, and I think I've got my perfect look. So guys, do share your comments and feedback, and I will also share the product that I have used in the description box, where you can get this. And so I would rather suggest to go with something like this, but these doesn't last for longer days, because since these are waterproof, so it gets dried easily, so you cannot have it for longer days. On the product it says precise applicator, and I don't really say this is a precise applicator, because there are other applicators which I find has much helpful for me when I go with the wings. And smudge proof, definitely it is a smudge proof. There is no disturbances. Even when you remove the eyeliner, there isn't any kind of smudges that happen. And removing also is very simple. So that is a plus here. And waterproof, as it says, definitely is a waterproof, and you can just go anywhere like this, especially I use it especially for occasions like weddings and parties, so stuff like that. So guys, that's it from me, and do share your feedback and comments, everything. I would love to know. And if you have any other things that you want to share, or if you want me to make any videos, then do share it, and I would love to do it for you. So that's it, guys. Hope you like my video, and please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.